संजय लीला भंसाली को लोगों ने मारा। भंसाली को सहना पड़ा लोगों का गुस्सा। पद्मावती के सेट पे संजय लीला भंसाली को पड़ा थप्पड़ और उनके बाल तक खींचे गए। दरअसल जयपुर के जयगढ़ फोर्ट में संजय अपनी फिल्म पद्मावती की शूटिंग कर रहे थे। तभी करनी दल के कुछ मेंबर्स आए और उन्होंने सेट पे तोड़-फोड़ शुरू कर दी। करनी दल का मानना है कि फिल्म में रानी पद्मावती के बारे में फैक्ट्स गलत दिखाए जा रहे हैं, इसीलिए ये उनका प्रोटेस्ट है। इस प्रोटेस्ट की आग में बेचारे डायरेक्टर साहब को भी सहना पड़ा। सही मौके पे पुलिस आ गई और संजय लीला भंसाली को सेफ जगह पर ले जाया गया। ये तो अच्छा है कि फिल्म के बाकी एक्टर्स जैसे कि दीपिका, रणवीर और शाहिद वहाँ मौजूद नहीं थे। आफ्टर दिस शॉकिंग इंसिडेंट, whole of Bollywood came forward to support the filmmaker. Alia Bhatt: What happened on the sets of Padmavati is ridiculous. There is such a thing as creative freedom and cinematic license. Sunny Leone: Sad to hear about the unforgivable act of violence against Mr. Bhansali. I hope justice is served to those who hurt you. The video is disturbing. Arjun Kapoor: Shocked, appalled, saddened. Hashtag I stand by SLB. It's unfair to target us as an industry just because we take a dignified stand and stay quiet. Ashutosh Govarikar: Shocking, appalling, despairing. And still we shall not stop making what we want to. Sanjay: Stay strong, I am with you. Hashtag Padmavati. Priyanka Chopra: It's appalling to hear what happened to Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I'm so saddened. Violence is not what our forefathers taught us. Ritesh Deshmukh: What happened on Sanjay Leela Bhansali's set is absolutely deplorable. I stand by SLB. Over to you, Rajasthan Police. Do the right thing. While Bollywood condemns the attack on Bhansali, we do stand by what is right, giving the filmmakers their creative freedom and suggesting the so-called moral policing to think about their actions, especially when the film is not out of public verdict. Let's see what Bollywood fans have to say on this insensitive incident.
People can't be just thrashing directors that way. They can speak, they don't need this violence.
I think it's totally wrong because if a director is planning to show something, so we should actually respect his opinion.
Marna is galat. You cannot just like bash somebody. So that's wrong.
Violence is not, of course, not the solution for anything.
The movie is for entertainment, so even if they are making some alterations, it's for the public. So you should not matter it. If you really want some information which has to be correct, go online, read about it. So as long as it's giving you fun, it's cool.
Politicians का काम ही है, उनको स्कैम करना है या फिर उनको किसी और चीज़ पे ध्यान नहीं डलवाना है तो पिक्चर के ऊपर ही डाल दो. No matter what, films are actually fiction. Bollywood directors जितना भी अपनी creativity उसमें डालने वाले हैं वो actually में fiction ही होने वाला है. और पब्लिक को ये चीज़ समझनी चाहिए कि वो एक्चुअली में सिर्फ फिक्शन का काम है एंड कुछ चीज़ें तो चेंज होने वाली है. एंड नाउ द यूथ इज सो एजुकेटेड अबाउट इट. वी शुड एक्चुअली नॉट प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट देम. वी शुड एक्चुअली सपोर्ट देम एंड आई शुड like bang on these politicians from doing that.
No, it was totally not correct. If there was some problem regarding that, they should have gone to some means authorized resources. They should have given a case in the Supreme Court or something like that. Who they are to just go there and directly do something like that?
It's an art, making a movie. They're not saying that it's true, it's fiction. They're not trying to hurt sentiments. They're just portraying some art. So it's not really right.
पद्मावती बना रहे उनका ओपिनियन है, हमारी हिस्ट्री है वो, उस पर बना रहे तो वो एक राइट चीज़ कर रहे हैं. उसको अपोज करना है तो अगर साइलेंटली भी हम लोग उसको प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं, वायलेंटली करना कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है.
We hope our administration takes a decision to condemn these attacks and justice is done. If you support the stand Bollywood has taken, share your comments and subscribe to Book My TV.